All right, hello once again, Jeff Scott from Jeff Teaches Programming. Not sure what the problem was, but I'm not getting any records returned, so I'm just going to look at that query some more later, and I've got two more here that I want to go through. This will be a shorter lecture. So the first one says to do a union query. Union does combine a couple things. So notice what I'm going to do here. It's not going to be a join. I'm going to say select c.customer first name, c.customer last name. Let's move these over. From customers C. Now I'm saying union, so combine those with e.employees, employee first name, e.employee last name. So I want a union, whoops, and I missed something here. We'll fix it right away. I want to union that with another select from employees E. Now we said earlier that we have 27 customers and we have 8 employees, so we should get 35 here. Should. I'm not saying we will. I'm saying we should get 35 here. Now, I didn't give you a great explanation of union, but if we do look back over to here where I've kind of been using, all right, somewhere in here is going to be, there's a union. It's used to combine the result set of 2 or more select statements. It automatically removes duplicate rows. So if we have somebody who's in both the customer and the employee tables, it should remove them. All right, let's see. Again, you don't need that semicolon on the end. Doesn't help any, doesn't hurt any. Since I used it for the other ones, I might as well put it in these also. Okay, so let's go. Oh, we have an error in our syntax. Right near employee last name. So let's see what the error is. No comma. Okay. So run it. And it says we have 34. All right. So remember, we had what? One more time. We had 27 customers. We had 8 employees. So one of our employees is also a customer. All right. So these are our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 employees. And these are our customers. But a union is just a way of combining information, in other words. Okay. All right. One more I want to go over here. So again, we'll come back up to here. Just remove everything that's in there, and let's go back to here. All right. Show the query to select each customer's first name, last name, plus each customer's order number, product number, and quoted price. Now, I'm going to show you 2 ways to write this one. So select c.customer first name, c.customer last name, o. In fact, we'll go over one way of doing this. Order ID, P dot, put each one from each table on its own line. P dot product ID and OD dot order detail quoted price. All right. Now, I could have put that all in one line, but I just did it so you could see each one. Now, in the past, we do all these inner joins, and that works just fine. That's the recommended way of doing it. But I'm going to show you the more old-fashioned way because it's still out there. So I'm going to say here from customers C, comma, orders O, comma, products P, comma, order details OD. Now I got to do my wheres. Where C dot customer ID equals O dot customer ID and O dot order ID equals OD dot order ID and P dot product ID equals OD dot product ID. Now, this is the way I learned to do it many years ago. All right? And it's considered old-fashioned right now. But it should still work. We're going to find out right now. Oh, this is weird. I'm getting this empty result set, and it should not be empty. I got a feeling one of my tables might be empty. I'm going to quick look. Categories, not empty. Customers, not empty. Employees, not empty. Order details, not empty. Orders, not empty. Products, not empty. Product vendors, not empty. Vendors, not empty. And I don't know why, but when I ran these earlier, I was getting all sorts of results. So something in here is funkied up. I don't know what. I'm going to look one more time. This was the query. It looks correct to me, but for some reason I'm getting no results back. I'm going to try to look at this one just like it mentioned I would the other one. And then when I come back, it won't be tonight, sorry, but when I come back I'm going to do about 15 more, dozen more or so of these in the next video or two. And then I'm going to go back and really write some humongous queries so you can see how bad and big and awful this can actually get. Okay, so I'll be back with that fairly soon. See you then.